So in this video I will show you how you insert some text into the UI of your game. So in this case we will be inserting some text up in the left corner here where it says level 1, and we will be using some programming to do it. But the absolutely first thing we have to do is to go to the hierarchy over here, right click, go to the UI and say text. It is this TextMeshPro that we want to use. So the default name of this is just text and the TMP is just the TextMeshPro. So already now you can see down in our game here we have new text, but it is in the down corner here. So what you can do is go out like this, then you can actually see the canvas we have and the text that we have under here. So you can actually just go and pull the text. You can also go and watch this in 2D and go and scroll out so you can see it. Then it might be easier to just go and drag, but we will put it up in the corner here and maybe do it a little bit bigger. So down in my assets here, I do already have a script where everything is created, but I will show you how you do it from scratch. So let's go and right click and say create, and we just want this mono behavior script, and you can of course call it whatever you want. We could go and call it now text2 script, because I already have one, and let's go and open it in Visual Studio. So for this we don't really need the update because we just want to go and update the text when we only start the game. So to actually go and use the TextMeshPro, we do need to go and say using and then TMP and then Pro. So now we can go and make a public attribute here, and it will be a TextMeshPro GUI that we have to go and use, and you can call it whatever you want here. We could actually call it level text because we want to include what level are we in, and then it's pretty simple to actually just go and say level text and say dot because we want to get the text inside here. So we could just go and say level 1. So that is the text that we will start with when we start the game. So that is actually it inside Visual Studio. We can go and save it and go back to Unity. We can go and take our text2 script, go and drag it, and you can either drop it on the text here, or you can also do it on the canvas, but I'll just go and do it on the text. So now we can go and click the text, and when we look in the inspector over here and scroll all the way down, you can see we now have the text2 script here. So the only thing it want to know is which TextMeshPro GUI does it need to put the level text to. Now go to the hierarchy and go and drag the text and drop it into the level text here. So now when we run the game, you can now see down in the corner here that we have the level 1 text. So that is how you use programming to go and change some text in the UI in Unity. Thanks for watching and go and have a nice day.